Thank you, Jeffy. Meantime, the city is going to be getting some free help to replace the former Metro Health director after she left the job early last month. The outside firm that helped put Dawn Emmerich into the job is going to be looking to fill the job again at no charge.
Yesterday, KSAT obtained emails that detailed the friction between Emmerich and Assistant City Manager Colleen Bridger, who used to be the Metro Health director. Bridger is now the acting director of Metro Health again.
City Hall reporter Garrett Berger sorts it all out and takes a look at the process that brought Emmerich to San Antonio and what's next.
Well, because the Mercer Group had contracted with the city, they had a 180-day clause in their contract. And so since Emmerich stepped down within that first 180 days of being on the job, they will now help find her replacement like they helped to find her. So how did Emmerich wind up in San Antonio in the first place? Now, according to the city, they worked with the Mercer Personnel Management Center to draft a brochure and begin advertising the position last year. The city was then presented with a slate of candidates in October that was whittled down to 6 to be interviewed. Those 6 spoke with 2 panels of city leadership and community stakeholders, though we don't know exactly who was on them. The city required us to submit a records request to see who was on those panels, and we have not received a response yet. Now, after Eric Walsh had one-on-one interviews with the top candidates, Emmerich was chosen. Now, according to the list the city provided of the 5 other candidates interviewed, Emmerich got the job over health officials from Laredo, Pennsylvania, Chicago, and LA. Now it's time to start over, though the city does not yet have a timeline for finding its new director, and the job has not been posted. Now, we also reached out to Benton County, Oregon, where Emmerich had had a similarly short tenure as the head of the health department out there. Now, however, a spokeswoman told us that Emmerich had left because of personal reasons. It was not a professional issue, and she was not forced out, the spokeswoman told us. Live downtown, I'm Garrett Berger, KSAT 12 News.